Hi everyone! Today I want to introduce you to a new program I'm starting called Stamp Camp to Go. At a Stamp Camp to Go, you get a stamp set as well as 3 cards that I've designed to go with that stamp set. You're going to get everything you need to make those cards, including any embellishments, die cuts, and the envelope. The only thing you need to add is your ink and your adhesives. So, I've designed the cards to not use too many colors. Hopefully you'll have some of these colors at home, but if you don't, we can add them to your Stamp Camp to Go purchase. I'm using Real Red, Pacific Point, Pumpkin Pie, and Old Olive. I also used a black Stampin' Write marker. There's different levels of pricing for the Stamp Camp to Go because the Lift Me Up stamp set is available in clear mount or wood mount. Now I chose the Lift Me Up stamp set because it has so many occasions that it's perfect for. Of course we all need birthday cards, but there's a Just a Note to Lift Your Spirits for someone who's feeling down for a loss or they're sick. Sending Smiles Across the Miles is great to send to your grandchildren or friend who's moved away, your kids who are at college. Something like that. Love is in the Air is perfect for a wedding shower or perhaps Valentine's Day that's coming up. And this one here is going to be needed pretty soon. Congratulations, you soar above the rest. Perfect for a graduation themed card. This stamp set is also really great for scrapbooking if you're into scrapbooking. So the Lift Me Up bundle is my first option for the Stamp Camp to Go. Now there's another level if you want. You can add the coordinating framelets from Up and Away framelit dies. These match the stamp sets and they're not required to put together the kit because I've cut them out for you. However, if you ever wanted to make more and you love this die set, you might want to bump up to this. If you bump up, I have a bonus. You're going to get retired paper that coordinates with this die set and stamp set. It was from last celebration and I have a few packs of it. Now you're not going to get a full pack. I'm going to give you a 6x6 sheets, and there are 6 different sheets and you'll get 2 of each, so 12. And there's patterns on both sides. Really fun hot air balloon themed paper. That's just a little bonus for bumping up to the die cut selection. Now also if you choose the die cut option, your order happens to be above $50. Now right now is a great time to make a $50 order with Stampin' Up because any orders over $50 automatically get a level 1 celebration item. And there's a lot of great celebration items to choose from. There are stamp sets and ribbons, card packs, what else is there? There's a card kit. So it's a lot of fun. One of the popular things are these card and envelope set. I love that. I've been going through a lot of that. And also this Party Panda stamp set is a choice, but there's others as well. I'm showing you the Party Panda because I happen to have made a video a while back with this Party Panda set that is just like this hot air balloon card. And people seem to really like it. It was this little panda and he opens up and he flies away with his balloons. There's a whole video on this if you want to check that out. But that is how this card is made. So you'll have instructions on how to make this, and you can make it with your hot air balloon set and you can make it with your panda set. So it's a fun option, but there's a lot of options to choose from. So check out the entire celebration catalog at my blog, bethspapercuts.com. So when you're checking out the different options and levels for the Stamp Camp to Go, remember that there's clear mount, which is what I have here, which means that you're going to need your own blocks. Or you can use wood mount, which comes with the blocks to mount the stamps on. And then there's with or without the die set. So there's 4 levels to choose from. The die set will get you the celebration item and these papers, but they're not needed to put together the card kits. If you have any questions at all, you can ask them of me here on YouTube. You can click the little icon at the top of the YouTube channel that'll take you to my Facebook page or my blog. And I'm happy to chat with you on there. So I hope you like the idea of Stamp Camp to Go. I think it's a fun idea and I hope you do too. And any purchase that you make with Stamp Camp to Go also counts towards my Frequent Buyer Rewards program, which is a program that you can find on my blog, Beth's Paper Cuts, and you can print the tracking sheet right there and we can figure out all the things you need for your Stamp Camp to Go. If you have any questions at all, please let me know, and I hope you like my projects and my Stamp Camp to Go. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Bye!